Hello and welcome to Thrively. Thrively was founded on the core philosophy that every child has a genius and they deserve to thrive. We do this by identifying strengths, supporting well-being, and instilling hope. Our mission is to bring a paradigm shift into education through asset-based learning. With a strengths-based approach, every community is valuable. Every person has strengths and potential. Today, I'm excited to walk you through our goal-setting feature. Setting goals provides students with a clear path to achievement, not only in academics, but also in their overall success in learning and life. When students become goal-oriented, they also become future-focused, finding more meaning in what they're learning in the classroom. With Thrively, you can easily create long-term goals that align with your students' portrait of a learner, specific school objectives, or even classroom goals. You can also set short-term goals designed to support content mastery or classroom management expectations. Now let's get started with building a goal-driven classroom. From my dashboard, I'll head to the toolbar on the left and select Build Agency. Then click on Goals. In my Goals library, you'll find a variety of pre-created goals ready to use. This makes it easy for you as an educator to assign goals to any grade level. Within each goal, we've created an action plan and a rubric to hold students accountable. As a teacher, you can add a goal to a playlist and the lessons it contains, or assign it to students directly. If I want my students to work on a particular goal, I'll click the Assign button and select the class or specific students I want to work towards this goal. When I click on Progress Report, I can now see if any of my students have added highlights to their goal. From a student's perspective, their goal tools will be updated on their dashboard. When they're ready, they can add highlights. This is how students can provide evidence that they're working towards their goals. When I return to goals as an educator, I can view all the goals I've assigned as well as my goals. This is where any goals you've created will appear. I can easily create a new goal for students to work on. I can create a goal by setting a name or title, providing a brief description of what the students are working towards, selecting the appropriate grade level for my class, and setting a target date for them to reach. I can also add an image to make it more fun. As you can see, I've created the goal, and this hasn't been assigned to my students just yet. I can now create an action plan to further support my students. Now that you're familiar with our goal-setting feature, it's time to bring it to life by creating goal-oriented classrooms that empower every learner. Thank you for your commitment to asset-based learning and strengths-based education. Let's humanize learning together. We look forward to partnering with you to create strengths-based, joyful, and hopeful classrooms so that every child thrives. Please reach out to us at thrively.com or thrive@thrively.com. Our students are waiting on us.